Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of Big Chompy Bird Hunting Quest. Right now we're looking for the
equal leaves or aqua leaves or whatever you want to call them. This wolf needs to leave me alone. Okay, so let's find these things. Okay, so they look like a little vine looking thing. Ferns, trees. Southeast of the hunting ground. Oh, that's all the way over here where we were hunting the chompy bird. Maybe. Plant.
That might be that right there.
Flowers.
Next to those right there.
Aha. That's a little hard to find, but
Sure is small.
Yeah.
Willows, huh?
But there's no bank anywhere near, unless you got the transportation right there. Alright, and then we need one more, I think. Maybe. No, it just didn't say how many we needed.
Let's go try to.
Alright, so when you've gathered the seasoning, use the raw chompy bird with the orange split roast north of Rance. Whoa, not that far. You automatically cook the meat with the 3 seasonings.
3 seasonings? Got more than 3 though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We have that. Remember what the orc family wanted? This one's potato.
We don't have potato.
We have an onion.
Yep.
Huh?
Big potato plant near the equal leaves.
Ah. I was like, what the heck?
A lot of running around on this quest.
Yep, but we're almost done.
Yeah. And this goes in the same area though.
Yeah, so it was right in front of us. Didn't even see it.
Jeez, Dakota. Good job.
Yeah?
Yep. Just
So,
going, yeah.
Check kills.
Oh, that's cool. Drinks yummy soda. I like that soda.
Sounds like a personal problem. You should go buy yourself one.
I don't have any money.
Well, whose fault is that?
That's not mine.
Don't know what to tell you, Holmes. Alright, let's go talk to this dude again. Bing. Cool.
Nice. 260 fletching, 1400 cooking, 700 range.
Ability to make orc arrows. Cool. Alright, well that's that for the big chompy bird hunting. Appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully you guys will check out some of our other quest guides. Later.
Yep, bye.